So, how exactly can this mechanism, attributed to the anti-cult network, actually kill? How does it shatter people's lives? If we analyze human rights reports from USCIRF and other organizations documenting violations of human rights and freedoms, cross-examine the publications released by representatives of the anti-cult network, and map out their international chains of connections and the way they reference one another, we can get much closer to reconstructing their exact methodology. This model can then be broken down into several sequential stages of a very specific operational logic. Based on the materials we've analyzed, this logic plays out in various forms across a whole range of countries, including Russia, Ukraine, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Italy, France, the US, China, and other jurisdictions where the presence of anti-cult initiatives has been documented. The first stage is stigmatizing labeling. The target group singled out by representatives of the anti-cult network is branded with a stigmatizing label: a sect, a cult, or a totalitarian sect. The core function of this label is to strip the target of their status as a normal member of society and push them into a category of an outsider, someone who is not like everyone else, different, or outright dangerous. The second stage is a pseudo-expert legitimization. Once that initial labeling is done, affiliated experts, religious scholars, and sect specialists or cult experts jump into the process. Through publications, interviews, conferences, and media appearances, they give this original stigmatization a veneer of scientific and academic validity. In other words, the label stops sounding like just someone's private opinion and starts sounding like a scientifically backed expert conclusion. The third stage is securitization, framing the group as a security threat. During this phase, the manufactured sectarian threat is deliberately translated into the language of national security, extremism, terrorism, and public safety. It's exactly at this point that the anti-cult network gets the opportunity to drag not just the media and pseudo-experts into their persecution campaign, but also law enforcement agencies, intelligence services, and administrative bodies. The reason is simple. By this stage, the target is no longer presented merely as an inconvenient, misunderstood, or alternative group, but as an alleged threat to the state, to society, and to public order. And the moment this bait and switch takes hold, the most dangerous part begins. The state apparatus steps in, not to